Welcome to this video on instant searches in Google. So Google has this feature where there are specific searches that trigger what Google calls like a search card. So I've linked an article right next to this video called 20 Instant Searches Your Students Need to Know, which has a whole list, but as you see this, you kind of go down a rabbit hole here. So let's say, for example, one of the searches is roll a die. So when I search roll a die, I actually get this tool here at the top by Google underneath all of the web links where I can go through and I can actually roll, and then it will do that, or I can click on this, maybe I switch to a 10-sided die and it rolls. If I roll again, maybe I want to do a plus where it automatically rolls. So there's different ones. Then below here now you'll see all kinds of these other tools that are part of it. So there's flip a coin. So it would flip. That's also a instant search. So if I go back to the Google window and I say flip a coin, it automatically pulls that one up. So there's all kinds of different options. One of them is you can type define and then maybe like a synonym. And then it will give me my definition here. I'll also get the opportunity to hear it spoken. I can expand it and I can see the origin of the word, the use of the word over time. So that's a cool one. That's part of the dictionary tool. Teacher's a popular one, depending on what you use or don't use. You can just do timer, and then a timer will pop up and you can use it that way. You can go to stopwatch, different options for those. You can also do, you can actually type, if you're math folks, you can type things like an equation and it will show you like inverse, it will show you how to solve. You can go through, it'll show you a graph for those things. So there's lots of different what would be called instant search options where it actually gives you those cards on the top. Instead of having to visit websites, you can actually go through then and see those different instant search options that are there. And again, that article was linked, but it's also right here. So you can see those 20 search options of the different types of things that will pull up cards that might be useful to you and or